since I've seen my friend, and it's hard for me to comprehend how this happened. Or perhaps it's just a phase. When we turned 13, yeah, we made a pact that we'd always have each other's backs, and it's tragic. But I think I've been replaced. Said, hey man, listen, I would love to, but you see, I've got plans with the missus for our anniversary. I said, alright, I miss you, could you call me when you're free? And in my heart I felt like something died inside of me. I guess this is how it feels to be replaced. I guess this is how it feels to be replaced. I would take us to the ballgame and no wanna go with me.
Keputusan Menteri Hukum dan Hak Asasi Manusia Republik Indonesia 32.PK.PK.01. But I just can't see how we can mend this divide now. I don't think there's any way. I know friendships fade and plans can change. Was naive to think that we would stay close forever. Maybe that was my mistake. Seems to me those days are done. No time for fun, no more time for friendship. Just last week I called him up to make some plans. I said, I've got tickets to the ballgame if you wanna go with me. I haven't seen you in a minute, I know it's your favorite team. I think they're gonna win cause they've been on a winning streak. And maybe when we're finished we could kick it by the beach. You said, hey man, listen, I would love to, but you see, I've got plans with the missus for our anniversary. I said, alright, I miss you, could you call me when you're free? And in my heart I felt like something died inside of me. I guess this is how it feels to be replaced. I guess this is how it feels. Take us to the ballgame.
Amal ibadah kita. Kalau justru semakin kita mau pensiun tapi justru malah sudahlah malah gitu ya, malah tanggung jawab, itu salah. Begitu sudah pensiun kita nggak ada kesempatan untuk memperbaiki kinerja kita. Dengan demikian maka kita harus punya kreativitas untuk membuat di sini sana di sana.
To the bathroom sinking, your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can't stop myself from falling. Take responsibility for life.